This is
Really Incorporated.
RILLY Incorporated.
Oh my god!
Hi, I'm Really, and it's my first day at school here. I don't really know my schedule, but they're making me do work, which isn't exactly like life at the zoo. You see a few teachers going by, you fling a few crap piles at them. It was very basic work. But now I'm waiting on the announcement to give me my next subject, and oh god, they're making me work too hard. And so yeah.
Good morning, students. How are you doing?
Good. I'm a girl.
Today we are going to do track and field. Do you have a problem with that?
What? Oh, I'm exhausted.
Well, really? There's only 4 more laps, buddy.
What? What?